I know what you're thinking. Where's the chicken quesadilla? Have no fear. It's right there, but also just cheese. Because I don't want a chicken quesadilla today. Hello, 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 hello. I can't find a phone holder. Can I put it in a cup? And I can put it in a bun. You're in a cup. I'm making chicken marsala today for me. The cheese quesadilla is for the hubs. No, she's not. I'll take some sketty noodles. Just a little bit, because I'm the only one eating this. Sketty nudes. Don't break your nudes. That's weird. It's weird. Just throw them in. They'll fit. Eventually. It's hot in this kitchen. And it's not just because I'm here. Boom. Boom. Protein. It's good for you. You should eat some. Monsterella's marsala. Okay, finish your sandwich and your carrots, please. No. A little butter. Boom, boom. It's not marshmallows, baby. But you don't believe me that I don't have marshmallows over here, but I really don't. It's hot. Ow! And that's what's for lunch.